Hey good people, welcome back to my channel, Thrifty Fly DIY. I'm your girl Denise Joy, the designer for the homeowner who wants to make their home custom on a budget. In today's episode, I'm sharing one way to get a custom on a budget vibe in your home by using reupholstery for furnishings that you already have or things that you picked up for real cheap at the thrift store or on Facebook Marketplace. This set of mid-century modern chairs I snagged at the thrift store and paid a whopping $30 for both of them. That's right, $30. So of course, my first thought was, at that price, I can really afford to do something a little more custom and reupholster them. Stay tuned for tips to reupholster your own furniture and the big dramatic reveal. The first thing I did was head to my local fabric store to explore the wide world of fabric mulah. Aren't these some gorgeous choices? One of the first things I had to determine is, do I want to use a high performance fabric? Something that's really going to withstand the wear and tear of everyday life and it's easy to clean. So I had to determine, how will I outfit this fabric? Kind of like a new set of clothes. Hey, drop in the comments, let me know which fabric you would have chosen for these chairs. After turning it over and over and thinking about it for about a day, I finally decided to use this gorgeous, gorgeous pattern. I wanted to have some fun and decided to do a highly contrasting fabric on the back, or the peekaboo section on the back of the chair. Everyone loves it, and of course I love it too. So sometimes think about doing something that you might consider to be out of the box. It'll truly become the conversation piece in your home. Stay tuned. I am going to give you my top tips for reupholstering furniture so that you too can be successful. But now let's check out this gorgeous, fantastic reveal. One of my Instagram followers nicknamed these chairs the jungle joints. Isn't that so fun? Honestly, design should have that element of fun to it. It should bring upliftment and joy and a sense of freedom of expression into your home. The contrast of the backside or the peekaboo spot just really makes me smile. It's such a surprise. This gorgeous fabric has a lot of movement in it, but the neutral colors allow me to place these gorgeous chairs in a variety of locations and fit in with pretty much most decor. For project number 2, I decided to recover this set of crate and barrel bar stools. I've owned them for about 3.5 years, and they're in absolutely great condition, but I wanted them to have a little bit more pizzazz. Since I'd repainted my dining room in this soothing, serene, calming shade of gray, I wanted these chairs to stand out a little more, have some more personality, and complement the granite bar, which is right above them. So I selected this lovely muted fabric, and voila, here they are. Here are my top tips to help you with the reupholstery that you want to complete in your home. Number 1, know how you're going to use the furniture so that you select the right fabric. Number 2, select a fabric that you are really going to love and cherish. Number 3, prepare yourself for the lead time, or how long it will take for the workroom to complete your project. And number 4, make sure that the furniture is a good candidate to be reupholstered. Meaning, is the wood stable? Are there any cracks? Is it even repairable? Trust me, that's an expensive mistake. Hit the subscribe button. Like right now. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. It won't hurt you. Right now. When you do this kind of a checklist, you can end up with a custom on a budget piece of furniture that you and everyone else is going to love. So I will see you in the next video.